Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC for sale. This vehicle comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist. Go ahead and pop the trunk here. Got a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of trunk space back here. And just push button to close. And taking a look at the driver's side next, we do have heated memory seats for the driver, as well as heated power seats for the passenger as well. Controls are right here. Driver door controls. Premium Burmester sound system in this vehicle. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 42,711. We have a push button ignition. And here's our Mercedes-Benz display. Navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls, command module here for making adjustments on the display, and Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now if you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.